today's video is brought to you by Born Pretty. They was nice enough to send your girl over another PR package. I am super excited because it is time your girl get this polish off of her nails. I will be doing an updated video as well as a nail swatch on the colors of this particular polish that I have on my nails. I did use Born Pretty Glow in the Dark gel nail polish to achieve this look. So I want you guys to stay tuned and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop that particular video, you guys won't miss it. So let's jump right into what Born Pretty did send me over. They did send me over their new hot pink collection. Now this set do come with 6 gel nail polish. This gel nail polish is 10 milliliters. I am going to be doing just a simple nail swatch so you guys can actually see how the nail polish looks. Normally when I do try some new Born Pretty gel nail polish, I like to wear the gel nail polish for at least 2 to 3 weeks, almost close to a month, so I could give you guys my honest and truthful opinion on how the nail polish hold up, what I think and stuff about it. I do notice that my results are constantly the same. I am getting the same result, no chipping and all that other stuff. If you guys have not checked out my previous Born Pretty gel nail polish videos, I am going to leave a playlist up top so you guys can definitely check it out. So this time around, I'm just going to do something different. I am just going to be doing a simple nail swatch like I stated before. And then I'll go in with an updated shorts video and show you guys the design I decided to choose and which colors out of the 6 gel nail polish I did pick. So when you get your package do come like this. It is wrapped in some plastic, so you definitely don't have to worry about any type of spilling or anything because your package is definitely secure when Born Pretty do send it to you. Now I'm going to be leaving the links to their Amazon store where you could purchase this particular gel set off of their Amazon store, as well as the actual link where you could go ahead and purchase off of their actual website. I will also be leaving a 10% discount code, so if you girls or guys are trying to save some coins on your purchase, you can definitely save some money by using the discount code DB77 before you go ahead and check out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic, remove everything out of the box. So when you do take your polish out of the box, this is how the polish look. This is how secure the polish is in the container, and all of these sets do come with a pamphlet. So in this pamphlet, it just tells you how to apply the gel nail polish as well as how to remove the gel nail polish. So if you guys are beginners when it comes to gel nail polish, I feel like this little pamphlet do come in handy so you guys won't be feeling lost. You guys have a guide on what to do. But this particular nail swatch, I will not be using a top coat or a base coat. I do have a top and base coat on hand, but that is not from Born Pretty, and that top and base coat is not good at all. So I am not going to do that because I do not want anything to compromise my nail swatch. I will be using some stiletto nails. I did get these nails off of Amazon. I am going to leave the link down below in the description box. Hopefully you guys can see that, but when you do take your nail polish out of the container, it do have the colors on top as well as the nail polish color, and that is something that I do like about Born Pretty. They make their nail polish color very visible, so you don't have to go ahead and unscrew each bottle of polish. You do have the color as well as the nail polish color on the top of the brush handle. So I think that is super easy, especially if you're someone who have a lot of gel nail polishes. This way it makes it super easy to know which gel polish you are using. guys, this is how each of the nail swatches turned out. I love these colors. Mind you, I'm not even a big fan of pink, but these colors are freaking gorgeous. OMG. I still do not know which color I'm going to use for my nails. Now, I did go in and do 2 coats because that's how many coats my nail tech normally do. But I want you guys to stay tuned for the shorts video so you can see how my nails turned out. And if you do like gel nail polish swatches like this, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. But that's all I have for now. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.